jealous.
I think my daughters are really jealous too. So we're doing the Evil Queen makeup headbands on. Watch those bangs.
Using an eyeshadow palette for blush.
I noticed that.
Oh,
So,
that's a lot.
Apple.
So do you have any tips on how to make it look extra scary?
You know what you can do to make her look more dramatic? The lips. Do you have siblings?
Yeah, I have an older sister.
What's the age difference?
3 years. We were actually born on the same day.
No way. So do you and your sister, do you get along?
Sometimes we fight.
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
long did
Yeah.
it take to do your Evil Queen makeup?
It took something like an hour.
You have to get up really early.
Yeah, you get there sometimes even at 5:30 in the
Really?
morning. I had my makeup artist.
You were gossiping the whole time she was
The
doing your
whole time.
makeup. So she steals all your makeup, or does she just use her own?
No, she doesn't need to steal any of my makeup.
My
Oh, you're
eyebrows.
doing the strong eyebrows, the angry eyebrows. Oh, I
really
love
angry.
how you do your lips.
Thank you.
What do you want to do when you grow up?
Acting like you. I'm actually an actress right now. I'm you right now.
It's so true, touche.
Magic mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all?
You are, Capri.
Of course.
You are the fairest of them all.
Do you think that I look like your long lost twin?
Hello, Twinnie Bestie. It's like copy paste. I can't.
Yeah.
Bye,
Bye, besties.
Wow, she's a star. You're a star. You know it?